In search of, can we say Christmas 2023 edition? But also winter fun here downtown Montreal at Place Ville-Marie. Let's go see what they got at the Esplanade. The Esplanade, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. Installation of bears, digital bears. The installation is titled The Polar Circle, the Sac Polaire. Yeah. Imagine if these were real bears. You'd have to be running away, but they're not. They're digital bears. Cool. Here at the Esplanade of the Place Ville-Marie. The Esplanade of the Place Ville-Marie. Check it out. It's probably cooler at night when those spotlights shine and make these bears illuminate. That's right. Let's go see what exactly this is. It's a downtown experience, and downtown is proud to present to you the Polar Circle. Yeah, basically that's it. Polar Circle, l'ours polaire, the polar bear. There you go, the legend of the polar bear. Yeah. Here at the Esplanade of the Place Ville-Marie. This is a perfect pick now. Here, let's go. Let's do this. Look at that. In the ring, the bears, and the smoke behind the mountain. What's going on in the mountain? There's smoke on Mount Royal. How could that be?